Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into two popular massage devices, the CINCOM leg massager and the Medcursor foot massager. If you're looking for relief from tired legs or foot pain, you've come to the right place. We'll explore their features, benefits, and help you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs. The CINCOM leg massager is designed to enhance circulation and provide muscle relief from the foot to the calf. It uses air compression to simulate kneading motions, making it ideal for users seeking gentle therapy. In contrast, the Medcursor foot massager focuses specifically on the foot, offering deep kneading and Shiatsu massage techniques to relieve pain and tension, especially for conditions like plantar fasciitis. The CINCOM leg massager utilizes air compression technology to provide a gentle massage experience. It has multiple intensity levels to customize the pressure applied. On the other hand, the Medcursor foot massager combines rolling, deep kneading, and Shiatsu techniques, along with a heat function, to deliver a more intense and targeted massage, mimicking professional reflexology. The CINCOM leg massager is highly adjustable, accommodating larger calf sizes up to 28.5 inches, making it suitable for a wider range of users. In contrast, the Medcursor foot massager is designed to fit up to men's size 13, which may limit its usability for those with larger feet. Additionally, the CINCOM requires the user to remain seated and connected to the air pump, while the Medcursor allows for hands-free operation once the feet are inserted. In conclusion, if you're looking for a device that enhances circulation and provides gentle muscle relief across the legs, the CINCOM leg massager is a great choice. However, if your primary concern is targeted pain relief for your feet, especially for conditions like plantar fasciitis, the Medcursor foot massager offers intense therapy that may be more beneficial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.